Okay, rule one of YouTube mechanicking. I take no responsibility for anything you do that fucks your shit up. Do not do this if you do not feel confident about doing your shit. This is a fuel pump for a 98 Ford Ranger XLT cab. Basically, you're going to need the quick disconnect. And look, they're cheap enough. Just go frickin' buy them. This is a T10 right there. That'll get it off for your fuel hose itself right there. That would be this guy here. There's various ways you can move your bed. Basically, it's easy enough for me just to jack it up so I don't have to mess with disconnecting your taillights. Of course, make sure to block and brace. Nice thing about having a hoist, it makes this shit easier. Fuel pump's pretty simple. You're going to have to get your bed off. You're going to need a T55. You're going to need a breaker bar. I recommend an impact wrench as well. Once you get it off, your old one, probably going to look something like that. That's called a fouled filter. As you can imagine, you're supposed to clean this sumbitch afterwards. 240,000 miles. Sorry, I'm not going to take the time on that. I just need the thing to run. There you go. I recommend you clean your tank, and when I be doing that one later on, I will be doing it appropriately. This guy, I don't give a shit. So, once you get your guy up, you want to clean the whole area really well, as best you can. Compressed air, vacuum, the whole 9 yards. That is the quick connect right there, the silvery one. That's the one's a pain in the ass to get off, of course. The other guy is just a little plastic tabby and it comes right off. That electrical connector, push the tab down in order to come out. This electrical connector underneath there, you push up. You got the two electrical connectors. You got to take that fuse relay out of your old pump and put it into your new pump, provided, of course, the relay is good. If it's bad, you got to replace that sumbitch too. To get this guy off, they make a special fancy wrench that goes onto each of those little slots there and allows you to turn it. Or you can just wander around and get yourself a nice big C-clamp, and that works just as well. Make sure you check your fuse. 20 ampere, as you can see. Fried. Anyways, once you get her all clean, boat her back together. Simple enough. Let her back down, put everything back in place. Hope that helps anybody that was looking at this job themselves. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you have the tools and the know-how to use them, and you should be good to go. Laters.